Viceroy's Ark, Saint Cajetan. Okay, that there is the ferry point, guys. We have to get to the ferry to go to Diwar. Many of you guys have commented on our videos. Look at this Ark of Viceroy. Now let's head straight and head towards Diwar. So we're going to take this ferry and we're going to go straight into Diwar Island. Good morning guys, welcome or welcome back to our channel. And finally I have made it to Diwar, and just look at this. So there are some beautiful mangroves over here, and I came from this way. So there's a ferry there in the distance that's just left. I think they leave every half an hour, and that side there is Old Goa. So I'm going to sit on my bike here and take you guys on a virtual tour of Diwar Island. And we are off, guys. So what a fantastic view already that I'm getting of the mangroves here. So there's a straight road, and it feels great to be here. And this is the first time I'm actually visiting Diwar Island, and what a view I have on the right here of the mangroves. I have been to Sherao, and yeah, I still have to visit Vanchi. But first time in Diwar, guys, I have no idea where I'm going to go. I checked some places. Our Lady of Piety Church is something that I need to visit. And just look at the scenery here. So it's just, paddy fields on both the sides, greenery on both the sides. And I think we are going to get a lake ahead of us. Not very sure. Or this is a part of the mangroves. Yeah, looks like it's a part of the mangroves. What a view, guys, fantastic. It's like I'm riding on water here, because there's water on both the sides. Really amazing view. And on the left here I can see some Brahmini kites flying. So really an amazing view. And the weather has been acting funny, because it was sunny and now it is drizzling. Almost twice I ended up changing my camera, but that's okay. I think we'll get sunshine soon as well. But yeah, I can only imagine when it's peak monsoon season, this place will look fabulous. Just look at this, guys. So narrow roads here. If you are here, please be careful. I can see cars and bikes coming from both the sides. Now it has started drizzling heavily. This weather is seriously testing my patience, because I have to keep switching cameras anyway. I have strapped on the camera that I really love using because of the stability that it offers. Alright, so I'll try to get through this place quickly, because it is drizzling right now. On the left there was some restaurant and some houses, fields here on both the sides, and just a few minutes ago I could even hear some peacocks screaming in the field. So that's really nice. Very good feeling already coming over here, and it feels isolated, because there are no bridges or something that connect to Diwar, and that's the reason why Diwar has maintained its old world charm. And really thumbs up to the people for making sure that this place has retained its charm. Just look at this on the left and right. Beautiful, really gorgeous view of the paddy fields. And coming up ahead is a little village, and I think the church must be somewhere here. Maybe it's on the hill up there. Let's go ahead and find out. Is it this left that I need to take? Anyway, I don't really know, but I'm just going to explore this area just like someone who doesn't know anything about the area. Look at the houses over here. So beautiful Portuguese style houses. Small buildings here, 1 or 2 floors. There are some shops here as well. This is giving me a similar feeling that I got when I crossed over to shit, guys, sometimes I really forget names. And this stand is annoying me right now. Yeah, Kerry. When I crossed the Kerry river and I went across on the other side, and that's when I came across a similar village. So yeah, it's looking very nice, and I can see locals. They are in the balcony. They are having some tea and coffee. And look at this. I don't know what's happening over here, but office of the village panchayat of Naveli. So that's really nice. There's a school coming up ahead, I'm guessing. But just look at the architecture here, guys. It looks really good, really nice. Oh, speed breaker. Luckily I saw it in time. Our Lady of Diwar High School. Okay. And what's there over here? Another gorgeous slope here. Another area where there are some really beautiful houses, and it's so peaceful and so quiet here, guys. Like literally, if I switch off, if I shut my bike, I think all what you will get to hear are birds. Just look at this lovely house here on the left. Very nice. So yes, totally worth coming here and exploring this area. I will definitely be visiting Sherao and Vanchi soon. But for today's video, my goal is to explore this place fully. Wow, there are some really remote places as well on the hills here. Doggy man here, Doggy man from Diwar looks relaxed. Wow, very nice. I'll have to switch on my GPS to figure out where the church is. But for now, I'm just going to keep riding till the time the scenery looks good. And look at this huge banyan tree over here. Wow. And even the air here, guys, the air feels superb. Feels so damn clean. It feels very nice, very refreshing. I have carried a bottle of water and what's this here? Electrical. So there are some shops here. Santa Margarita, home for the aged. Okay, so this one on the right here is home for the aged. Again, we've entered an area where mostly locals live. Beautiful houses indeed, really beautiful houses indeed. The only complaint I have so far is the roads here are a bit bumpy. I'm sure you heard it in my voice. Okay, let's go right, left. Okay, let's take this road. So I'm assuming the church is somewhere here on the hill here. But let me just ride a little bit here because I want to explore these areas as well. The houses here are really very nice. And thank you to each and every one who asked us to visit. Where does this road take us? Okay, let's just go up and see what's there up over here. So yeah, thank you so much to each and every one who suggested that I should visit Diwar, and I picked a day where it's sunny. Yeah, but unfortunately it didn't. It's not been raining since 3 days almost in Goa. It's very funny. It's like from peak monsoon season we've hit a patch where it feels like it's the month of October or something. Is this the church? Wow. I think this is the church. Oh yes, Our Lady of Piety Church. That is amazing. I had no intentions to even, reach here without using maps. But what a fabulous view of the church we have here. And there in the distance, there is a river as well. Very nice, guys. Look at that. There in the distance there's a river, so I am guessing that is a part of the Mandvi river. And look at this, all statues here. There are some cows, and those cows belong to that auntie there. And let me show you a view of Our Lady of Piety Church. Beautiful, white and blue colors. Wow, I didn't even have to use maps to get here. That is so cool. I just checked at home. I had checked the maps. I knew the church is on a hill, and the slope looked like it might take me here. Look at this. Look at the architecture. Beautiful Portuguese style architecture. And let's see if I can see some history of the church. I'm sure it was built sometime in the 1500s. or 1600s. Don't really know. Father Jacob Gonsalves. So many things are written over here, but yeah, you can pause the video and have a look. From this island left to Ceylon. Ceylon is present day Sri Lanka. Father Jacob Gonsalves. So yeah, some really interesting history here. The mission made it for 37 years. He was born in this village, Sharao. Okay, that's nice. So yeah, very cool place, as you can see here. Very quiet. If I don't speak, all what you can hear is the breeze. I don't know if you would agree with me or not, but I think some places are better off, when they're left untouched. And definitely Diwar, I would say, is one of those places. I can really feel so much of a difference in the air quality over here, and seriously guys, the greenery here is superb. And besides that, I can see that the locals here look very relaxed. They are in their own world, and it's just a beautiful feeling when you get to such places, right? In this fast world, I don't really know what's the point of chasing things. There are so many instances where you'll just keep chasing something and then it doesn't make you happy, guys. Seriously, all what we need in many cases is just nature and a relaxed and a beautiful life like this. I know it's not possible for everybody to have it, but then for those who have this, I seriously consider them very lucky and very fortunate, and I hope places like these are preserved for a long time. And right now, again, I have no clue where I'm going, but I'll just keep riding till the time the place looks amazing. And I think I'll just keep riding here continuously in this village, because everything what I see here, all turns that I'm taking, look at this. There was no plan to even get here. Wow, what a superb location. This is reminding me of something like Salvador do Mundo, the road that we had taken. What a fantastic view, guys, really. So we got to see the church, we got to see the fields, we got to see greenery everywhere, we've seen the mangroves, and I think there is a lake here somewhere as well, which I would really love to explore. So yeah, we'll go towards the lake as well. But superb, guys. I really love. A big thumbs up for this recommendation. Anyway, I plan to visit this place sooner or later, but then, oh wow, these birds, let me show you. I don't know if you can see. Look at that. I hope we captured that. They look so beautiful. Wow. I don't know the name of this bird, but you can see a greenery here as well. In the, with the breeze, this is paddy field, I'm assuming. You can see it all swaying in one direction. Looks so damn good. There's a tractor here. People are plowing their fields. It's very sad, it should be raining at this time, but people's fields are becoming dry. It did rain, and the soil is moist a little bit, but I don't think people can survive like this for a long time. We really need the rains, guys, otherwise I don't know what will happen. Please pray for the rains to come back. Weather right now is pleasant. It's not hot at all, although it is sunny. As a tourist, you will really enjoy going around places. Welcome to Diwar Island. You are not welcome to litter here. Absolutely do not litter anywhere, okay? Not just in Diwar, not just in Goa, not just in India, in the entire world. Please do not litter, guys. Plastic especially is very bad. It stays in the... Wow, look at that. There are some pigeons flying over the fields. Looks very nice. So yeah, plastic, if you litter plastic, it stays in the atmosphere for a long time, and yeah, it's not good. Wow, oh, I'm getting to see birds here that I have not seen before. That there is called a laughing dove that flew away. Wow. And you know what, if you are from the Middle East, That bird is very common over there, the laughing dove. It's like a pigeon, but it's like a small brown pigeon. Nice to see that here. I never saw that before in Goa. And once again, the fields here, guys. Superb, superb. What a view. And again, the birds. Again over here, there's a little one here. Very colorful, grey, red and white in color. I know it makes a very peculiar sound and it's very loud, and they lay their eggs in the fields, but I cannot recollect the name. But this ride has been fantastic so far, guys, and I'm sure there are many more places that I can explore, but for now I'll just keep riding. And a big thumbs up to Savio and all our members. Savio is a member as well. Yesterday, for the first time ever in the history of our channel, what is this? Let's turn around a little bit and get a glimpse of this. Amazing, look at this. Mangroves here as well. It's a lake, I don't know. Yeah, so first time in the history of our channel, someone has given us a super, and that's like, you know, a small donation that you can make on the video if you like our content. And Savio donated 500 rupees, and look at this, there's a bottle of water here. I'm going to pick this up and keep it here. Oh, you know what, let me just take it with me. I have a bag here, I always carry this bag. In such a beautiful place, a bottle really doesn't look good, but yeah, just look at this fantastic view, guys. What a view. And I'm guessing we came from somewhere that side, and let me show you the view on this side as well. Wow, so this place really is marvelous, guys. Like, it's scenery at each and every turn, and there are some fish here that are, look at this, I don't know if you can see, maybe mullets. So I'm sure this is a good place for fishing as well, but we have a lot to explore. So let's get on the bike and explore some more places. Okay, so sorry, I keep jumping onto different topics, but I just wanted to say, I wanted to thank Savio a lot, because guys, Savio has given us a super gift of 500 rupees. So big shout out to Savio. Thank you so much for supporting us. Yes, our videos are free and will always be free, but then when you support us financially, it really makes it. Wow, those birds are massive over there. I don't know what birds they are, but they are so damn huge. Are those vultures or what? Not really sure, but there are so many different kinds of birds I'm getting to see here. Yeah, so Savio, thank you so much for giving us a super of 500 rupees, and plus Savio is a member on our channel. And once again, big thank you to our other members, Michael, Dale and Bambina. Yeah, so yeah, thank you so much for being members on our channel, and once again, it's because of you we can make such videos. Look at this, look at this. I don't know if you can see this bird. Is that a hornbill? Wow, I don't know what birds these are, but these are so damn big, and I don't even know what area I'm in, but I'm guessing, yeah, this is where you can come to see all the birds. Superb, guys. This road is really so scenic. It's got a beautiful view of the fields on both the sides, and so many birds I got to see. And I think we are going to hit a dead end. Look at this, water on either sides. Oh, and we have made it to a fabulous place. Oh my god. By the way, this is not where I took the ferry from. Wow. Is this the road that goes to... That looks like... What's that? It's not Ribandar, but yeah, that entire stretch, if you go this way like this, you can go towards Old Goa. But I'm really confused, guys. If you know this part, let me know in the video. By the way, I just checked on maps, and yes guys, that side is Ribandar. So from there as well, I think another ferry gets here somewhere there. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I checked on maps. That side is Ribandar. So please let me know if we can come by ferry towards this side as well. It will definitely help our other viewers. And just look at this. So I'm a bit, scared to see come to such places, because here in the mangroves there are crocodiles, guys. Yeah, if they see you, they will run away. But who wants to take a risk with prehistoric creatures that have lived since so many years, right? They might be there somewhere inside. Okay, now let's head towards the lake. I apologize, my phone might be getting in the way a little bit, but guys, I need it for directions because there's a lake here. I'm not sure if it's a private property or if it's open for all, but I really want to go and see what's there over there. And by the way, a honeybee was inside my helmet. Thank God it did not sting me, otherwise there would have been a huge lump on my forehead. Luckily it got out. I could hear it buzz in my helmet, and for a moment I thought it must be a housefly or something, but when I took off my helmet I realized that it's a honeybee. Anyway, I just wanted to show you this area, or have I showed you this already? Yeah, I think we passed by maybe. And this group was in the ferry, guys, and they are so damn noisy. I just wanted to tell them to shut up in this beautiful place, but yeah, they are tourists obviously having fun. But please, if you are in a group or if you come to places, respect other people's privacy and be thoughtful of other people as well. They were making so much noise once they got out of the ferry. It was really annoying, and I was getting even more irritated because it was drizzling and then it was sunny, and it kept happening for like 2-3 times, and I had to keep changing my camera. Anyway, when you ride through such places, you forget about all those things, and seriously guys, I've forgotten all that. I just remembered that because I saw those guys. Once again, beautiful area. Once again we are passing by this lovely chapel here on the right, and this place here again, whatever that was, the government building, but we are not going to get into detail. Yeah, let's take this right. So I had taken a left earlier, now we are going to take this right. Our Lady of River. It's funny, sometimes if you don't plan your trip, and that's what I thought today. I didn't want to plan my trip. I just wanted to go wherever the road would take me, and I think I ended up exploring such good places. Maybe I would have never found these places on maps. Superb. Yeah, and this place I have found it on maps, but I don't really know like what's going to be there. We didn't come towards this side. Bar Ke Sarkar. Look at this structure, guys. Fabulous. Like, the houses here are really good, but I personally think these guys deserve better roads as well. Look at the houses on both left and right. I hope the camera is capturing that. Let me just take a peek. Don't know if it is, but yeah, I really hope it is. The problem with this gimbal is sometimes it moves on its own, especially when I hit bumps or something. But I really like the picture quality, and I'm sure even you guys love it as well, because I've been shooting most of my videos with this camera. It is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and if you want to make videos or something, or just for your personal use, I would highly recommend this camera. And by the way, 2 or 3 good things, very positive things for our channel that I wanted to share. First of all, you might see some products that are listed on our channel under the video. So if you buy something from there, it helps our channel. 200 meters, turn left. Okay. And there are some sales as well. So there's a sale that is going on from Flipkart. It will be there till 31st of July. So yeah, I'll be tagging products where I see the rates are very good. Some products I personally use them myself, so you can buy from there as well. Yeah, have to take a left from here. Yeah. And the second thing is, guys, our channel has been sorry excuse me, our channel has been approved by Agoda for the Agoda Ambassador Program. Am I going in a secluded place? Yes, I am. As long as there are no dogs here, I don't mind. Yeah, so our channel has been approved by in the Agoda Ambassador Program, and if you visit any properties in India and in the world, right? Let me say that again. If you visit any properties in India and in the world, you guys will get a discount on your booking.
Moradia Dos Quadros will be on the left.
Wow. You will get a discount on your booking. I will be sharing that code with you. I just need to get the code approved. But yes, we have been approved. It might take a while. We have hit a dead end and there is no lake over here. But lovely view of the fields. हिंगा लेक हा न्हू लेक हिंगा ना मॅप्सान दाखयलेले
Eco Dream Lake, Moradia Dos
त्या
Quadros
वाटे
is
ना
on the left.
कितें म्हणटा आडकेश्वर म्हणून तीर्थ पोरणे तीर्थ म्हणून
हां कितें मंदिर हा थिंगा
मंदिर अजून जावपाचें एक मंदिर आहा त्या आडकेश्वर म्हणून
हां
मंदिरान तुका हेजें जावपाचें आहा अजून व्हडलो प्रोजेक्ट आहा थंय जावपाक
हां आनी कितें जावना ओल्ड टेंपल हूंय हा हिंगा
त्या हांगा टेंपल आहा गणपती टेंपल शक्ती विनायक
त्या वाटे ना
चर्च आहा ती
हां चर्चा लागीं
और वायर रोडान गेलो स्टेट न्हू थंय पावतलो
त्या वाटेन
या
फेरी सायडीक
फेरीच्या उजव्यार फेरी आतां ह्या रोडान गेलो जायत न्हू
हां
तो टर्न शार्प टर्न आहा पळय ते स्ट्रेट चोर और ओ रोड रे स्ट्रेट गेलो तुवें
हां
जाल्यार स्ट्रेट गेल्या तुका एक चॅपल मेळटलें
होय
जाल्या उपरांत मागीर रायटान सर
ओके ओके
नारबा म्हणटा ते तीर्थ
ओके ओके थँक्यू
लेक आहा ती
लेक हा ओके थँक्यू ही धाकटुली लेक तर दाखवना न्हू मॅप्सान ही दाखयला दिसता
दाखयल्यार
हां त्या वाटेन ओके ओके थँक्यू So yeah, you heard the conversation, guys. My Konkani is people can understand me, but yeah, at times I do get stuck a little bit while talking because I'm born and raised in Mumbai, and we've spoken multiple languages in Mumbai. So yeah, the only flex that I have right now is I can speak in multiple languages. Yeah, I am fluent in one or two, but yes, I am learning Konkani in Goa, and I think I am doing a fairly good job. If you think so, let me know in the comments. Now let's take a left. He said that there is a lake somewhere that side. I don't really exactly understand which road, but yeah, I think he was talking about this left here. Let's just take this left and see where we get to. Once again, guys, I'm going to ride without a plan. Naroa Ferry, Modi. Okay, let's just go this side. This side looks scenic, and there's a temple here, I'm guessing. If that's what he said. Iswadi. Once again, guys, beautiful scenery. This place is way bigger than I expected. I thought, like, I know I shouldn't be assuming anything, but I thought maybe I'll be able to cover most of the places, but I think it's way bigger. We didn't take this left. There's a huge well over there. Let's just go straight and let's see what is there over here. So Vanchi is another island. It's like an island inside an island. It's crazy, you have to take 2 ferries to get there, and Regina had recommended this place to us, and of course I am going to visit that place. I love spaces like these. Okay, narrow road here and a big truck that is coming our way. Okay. We made it safely. Right, so once again here, beautiful fields, and it is very important to keep our space clean, guys. No matter where you live in the world, cleanliness is very important, especially here in Goa. There have been many videos that have been circulated. Some creators are exaggerating it, which I really don't like. But please make sure, guys, you don't litter, you keep your villages clean just like how it is. It's a treat to be around clean places. We really need that. And seriously, like, Goa has been a global hub for tourism since so many years, and I just feel very bad when something as small as cleanliness is taking away the beauty of this huge place. It's an entire state that is beautiful. It's not like an area, it's an entire state where there are so many places to visit. So please make sure that you keep the area clean. I know I keep doing this all the time, it's annoying. I need to stick this, but yeah. Okay, this looks like a colorful temple here, and once again we are going towards the hill. The right here is a hill. Yeah, that looks like some really secluded place, but I'll just keep riding here. There are some more houses here as well. So guys, really superb place once again. I know I have said superb, excellent, marvelous, gorgeous so many times in this video, but this place deserves all the praise, really, to be honest. Some new structures here. Should we take left or right? Let's take this right. If any of you guys are watching from Diwar, please let me know how much of this island have I covered on the bike. Approximately, I know you will not be able to tell me exactly, but I'm guessing I have just covered like 20 or 30%, if I am not mistaken. Yeah, obviously not including the isolated areas like the forest and everything, we cannot cover that, but the main places that I had to see, guess what, my phone fell down, and luckily it fell on the bike itself. So the main places that I had to see, I hope I have covered that at least. It's been a day full of scary things happening. My phone fell down, bee was in my helmet, and the bike was not starting for a bit, but that's because the bike is not charged. I guess the battery is not charged, but that happens as you keep riding. Luckily the bike started. Whoa, my I am not exaggerating, guys, but this view is superb. It's like water, fields, coconut trees, and there's a temple here. Oh my god, what a view. What a view. I have to stop the bike here and show you what I am looking at. Oh my god. What a view. Seriously, guys, this place has been marvelous. I have to get Adrian here. By the way, I took Adrian towards Salvador do Mundo, and she's in love with that place as well. She keeps telling me, when are we going there again? When she watches this video, she's going to be surprised. Wow. And as you can hear, when I shut my mouth up, there was a bird. Okay. It's called a koel, nightingale in English. You heard that, right? Fantastic, guys. The view really is. I can't stop looking at this view on my right. And now I'm really interested to see what's around this temple, because it looked like an ancient temple on the board. Wow. See, this is what I mean to say. And I just thought of Alpesh. Alpesh, your comment really reminded me of sometimes not using maps and just going with the flow. And this is a classic case of just going with the flow and riding and just exploring beautiful spaces. Wow. Now we are really hitting some super isolated places. I'm sure coming here in the night will be scary, but okay, we've made it here. Yeah, this is the temple. So it's fairly new, I'm guessing, painted recently. But look at this, how colorful this is. And then just across the temple here, there's a river there as well. So I'm guessing somewhere that side far away is Vanshi. And look at how isolated this place is. There's a house here, but yeah. Did you hear that? I heard some sound. I'm sure it's scary to come here in the evening. This is full jungle, you know, it's a dense forest. It's been that kind of a place where, you know, you visit and you just don't feel like going home, and that is exactly what I'm feeling right now. And I didn't take this road, so yeah, let's go straight from this road and see what's there this side. Some very small lanes on the left and right here. What is this that is coming up ahead? Chapel. Yeah, very beautiful. Look at the structure of this chapel. So I guess this is what the uncle was talking about. Bus stop and then right, left. Okay, let's just go straight. What is the maps showing us? We are heading towards a river, towards the Mandvi river. So I'm guessing there might be another jetty point there. Tempo and a very narrow road. Yes, but we have made it, and we are on a slope right now. Crazy. This is like scary also a little bit, because it's jungle on both the sides. Are people living here? Yes, there are houses here. Insane, guys, insane. Oh yes, we can see a river right up ahead that side. Let's go towards the end, and I think that will be a good place to close this video. Look at this road. So yeah, this is the kind of roads these guys must be having years and years ago. Red mud everywhere. Wow, I can see so many colorful birds here, guys. I cannot tell you, I don't even know the names. Like, I am someone who knows names of a lot of birds, fish and everything, but I've seen birds here that I've not seen anywhere else. Very nice, beautiful, colorful birds that you get to see here. And if you are coming here, if you are a wildlife enthusiast, make sure you get a very good camera to capture everything. And if you have those huge cameras that the bird watching people have, nothing like it. You'll get to click a lot of good pictures. Okay, is this the ferry point to go towards Vanshi, or is this some factory, or what it is? Oh, this is some private place. We're going to take this road back and get out of here. Alright, so I can see some people coming from this road, and I checked on maps and it looks like there's a ferry point here as well. Oh my, wow, on the right was a big lake, Okay, anyway, let's just keep moving forward. I've shown you a lot of rivers and lakes in this video, guys. What a place. I swear I don't feel like going home. I wish you guys can adopt me and let me stay the night here. Oh my god, what a beautiful area this is. Our viewers who are watching from Diwar, guys, again big thumbs up to you for keeping the village clean and for ensuring that you guys have protected nature. It really means a lot, and it's a really big plus for the environment. You know, at the end, even animals and birds and everything else, they share this planet with us, right? So we have to ensure that we protect nature, and when we protect nature and when we take care of nature, eventually it benefits us as well. Obviously you need oxygen to survive, right? Just look at this. I mean, this is what I can see while I'm riding. If I have to tell you, if I have to describe it to you on video, I'm sure you will not, the video really doesn't justify the true beauty and the essence of this place, if that's the right word. But you have to be here to experience it, guys. The sights, the sounds, the feel, the air, the everything, guys, everything about this place. Look at these houses. It is just superb. And when you're riding like me without a plan, you will seriously come across so many different places. Let's take this road, okay. What an area this has turned out to be. Once again, I'm really curious to know, like, how much of this island have I covered. I don't want to go from here without without exploring most of the places, at least the good ones. I really hope I've done that. I really hope I've done that. Amazing. Once again, just look at this. You know, the only thing that I know is I can see Old Goa on my left there, the churches and the cathedrals of Old Goa, and I know that is the way where I have to go. Besides that, I don't really know like where I'm riding. Saint Matthias Church. Oh yeah, this is the turn that we have taken. We are back on this road. Okay, let's go here. We've not gone here. Or did we? Let's find out. Yeah, we are going towards the church. Maybe we did, I don't know. But guys, I'm enjoying the ride. I hope you are enjoying the video as well. It's a long video. I'm sure you must be wondering why it's so long, because it's really beautiful, guys. I have to show you guys everything that I've seen on the way. Literally everything. I don't want you to miss, and I don't want to miss these places as well. Kingfisher here on my right. Once again, look at the fields, and yeah, that I think there is the railway bridge. Okay, let's just go this side. We didn't go towards this side. I hope this guy doesn't think that I'm following him because there's nobody here on the road besides me and him. But I have to ride on these narrow roads, guys. Especially the fields and the water, it attracts me so much. Look at this. So yeah, I think you must be wondering why you didn't get your popcorn and watch this video, because that's how long it is. Just look at this, guys. Look at this. I have to show you these places. Look at that bird there in the distance. That's what I mean to say, you know. This area has so many fabulous places, so many fabulous houses. I just don't feel like going home. I don't know how many kilometers I rode in this area, but I'm sure at least like 20 kilometers or something. I think I rode only in this area, but yeah, I don't mind, guys. I don't mind. Again, probably we might hit some dead end, but let's just keep riding and let's explore this place as well. Some houses here, and there here looks like a dead end. Should I go ahead? Should I go ahead? Yeah, dead end, guys. I don't want to venture in too much, but nice place. Okay, now I'm going to go outside and take the left, and there in the distance again I can see the churches of Old Goa, so I know I have to go that way. Yeah, so I'll head out and then let's go towards that direction. And in case if you wanted an update on the doggy man here, oh, this is a doggy woman, sorry, but they are susegad and they don't care, and yeah, they are very relaxed. So that's good to see, you know. If the animals are relaxed in a certain area, it really talks a lot about the area. Always remember this, guys. If you see dogs and cats that are relaxed in a particular area, it really goes to show that, you know, the environment there is very good, very relaxing. Okay, now let's take this left. Woo! Let me show you this bird. Okay, this is why I keep telling you there are so many birds here. Look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. I'm sorry I disturbed you. You were probably having lunch. But yeah, that's a common bird that you get to see. Egret, I think they're called egrets. Yeah, no, heron, white heron. Egret is the black one. Yeah, but once again, guys, I saw birds here, small ones and big ones, huge, massive ones far away in the distance that I've never seen before. Okay, let's keep going straight. Once again, we're surrounded by fields, and now Old Goa is on my right. So I think I am going to hit a dead end again. Yeah, you heard that? Yeah, that's the kind of sound that those colorful birds make that I showed you earlier that were in the field. Now this looks like a small village that we are going to enter. Yeah, it's a small village that we've entered. Wow, really isolated place. Look at this house here. It's like it has thatched roof and stuff. Should I go in? Okay, let's just go in and see. I hope no dogs come to attack me. Look at this very isolated space. There's a river here on the left. Looks like a good place for fishing, and now we've come towards somebody's house. So let's just take a turn from here. But what an area, guys. It's sunny, but because there are so many trees here, look at the shade that there is in this village. Very nice, very good. This is the kind of environment that we really need, guys. Not a lot of concrete, because Trust me, I've been to so many places. I've lived mostly in cities. I know most of you guys live in cities as well. But at the end of the day, you need this. Yeah, the employment opportunities and everything is very less here. But I just want to let you guys know something. Maybe it's a very obvious point, but if you have land in your villages, wherever you guys are from, make sure you don't sell it. You will regret it one day. At the end of the day, after a few years, you will need something like this. And when you don't have something like this, you will really feel bad. In the cities, our life is just work, and I don't even want to talk about it. But for now, let's just enjoy this area. Fantastic. So I think I should close this video now. I don't know, I'm thinking about closing the video since a long time, but I feel like I've not explored all the places. So let's just see what's there ahead, and if I don't see anything interesting, then we'll just close the video. Osoga? Ferry, right? Ferry point?
Yeah, but I'll get an email.
Okay. But you have to tell me, auntie, where the ferry
sure,
is.
sure.
I am new here.
Yeah.
To go to Old Goa. Straight, no? Okay. Okay. My bag is there, auntie. Okay, no?
No, yeah. I just get down there. Come.
Okay.
Dependent ferry to
Ah. I have come from Kalangut.
Oh, so what you have done?
I am a YouTuber. I make YouTube videos.
I just like you.
Yeah. So many of my viewers, they told me come to Diwar and make a video.
Okay.
That's why I made.
When the ferry would be closer, but then it's closed.
Which
The
one?
work is going on.
Where?
Ribandar ferry.
Ribandar.
Go from Old Goa.
Ribandar. Yeah, I went there. There is some construction
Yeah,
a little
yeah,
bit.
yeah.
After the fields you get, no? Many fields. You are going to Panjim?
No, I'm going to the bank.
Bank.
I get down here.
Oh.
You go left straight.
You are straight?
Here, this side, left. Here.
Okay.
Straight.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye. Take care.
Thank
Thanks
you.
a
No
lot.
problem. Thank you. Oh, I didn't know the video was getting recorded. Okay, so we've captured a conversation with auntie. So auntie wanted a lift, and yeah, I was like, why not? So I asked her where the ferry point is, and she said to go straight from here. Okay, let's go straight from here. So I usually encounter this, when I'm on the bike ride. I meet many people who ask for lift, and yeah, I avoid people who look shabby and who shabby in the sense, I'll tell you why. Because I came across this incident. There was one drunk person who asked me for lift, and then we just kept going round in circles, and since then I avoid giving lift to such people. But then yeah, auntie looked decent and she wanted a small lift to go to the bank, and why not? And she showed me the way as well. Yeah, so right now we are heading towards Old Goa Church, and this is the road that I came from. It looks familiar. And anyway, let me just ride towards the ferry and show you the road towards the ferry as well. So just in 2 minutes, look at this. We've crossed all these paths. In 2 minutes, we will reach the ferry point. So really beautiful, wonderful experience that I've had over here. Very nice. Everything was amazing. And when I got here, I even got the ferry parked right there at the jetty. And now I'm hoping for the same. Let's see if the ferry is there. But even if it's not, I don't mind, because I'm really leaving with some very good memories of this place, and I don't mind waiting at the ferry point as well. There's some nice view of the mangroves that you can get from there. What do you think about giving lift to people, guys? Let me know in the comments. I personally really like doing that, because at times, when I didn't have a vehicle, or when I don't have a vehicle and I have to go somewhere urgently, there have been 1 or 2 cases where some other people have given me a lift. So it really helps the other person, and old people especially, guys, I don't really want to say no to them. And like I said, unless and until it's someone who is a drunk person or something, only then I ignore those kind of people. But anyone who is decent, I'm really happy to help. Okay, and I think the tide is rising over. Maybe the water level looks a bit higher. When I pass by these places, I really wish I can come fishing here, but it's too far away. I went fishing yesterday on Kalangut beach, and all what I ended up catching is one small blubber lip snapper. It's called a choti in Konkani. The sea was a bit rough, and Kalangut beach is a tricky place. You have to go there only during the low tides, and I see that there is a ferry right there waiting for us. So let's go a little bit faster. To everyone who thinks I ride fast, only when I come across situation like this, and I think I did not even touch 60. Wow, yes, we have made it to the ferry, and look at this view, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this one. Until the next one, take care, stay safe, and stay positive. And when you get on these ferries, good practice is to buy. I'm not an expert, but yeah, I've been on these for a few times.